If you need to capture data off of a form in your batch of documents, or even multiple different forms, such as you see here, with PaperStream Capture's new Forms Registration feature, you can now train it to recognize those forms and find them anywhere in your batch. In fact, you can train PaperStream Capture to recognize up to 1,000 different forms. Let me show you how to register forms in PaperStream Capture Pro. First, go to Configure Jobs, then Edit Your Job, choose Data Extraction, choose Form, and Register Form. Click on the Add button to begin adding a new form. Place your form in the scanner and click the Scan button. It should be noted that it's always best to use blank forms when training PaperStream Capture to recognize new forms. When you're done, click Finish. Give your form a new name. Now you're ready to add your next form. Simply repeat the process. Click Add, Scan, and Finish. Give your document a new name. Once you've registered all your forms, click Close. Now, if you want to capture data off of a particular form, select the form, choose Define Field, click the Add button, draw a box around the area where you want to capture the data, and give that field a name. Repeat this for every bit of data that you want to capture off of a form. When you're done, click Finish. And that's how you register forms in PaperStream Capture Pro. I hope you found this video helpful, and check out our other videos on how to use PaperStream Capture Pro and its various features.